Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now before my whole YouTube life went down the drain and turned to complete shit and I lost everything, that was my channel right there, L to the W, and we had a project we were working on prior to all that happening before I changed the name to Z28 Travels, and today it is time to go ahead and bring back, dust off, and restore this project because it's time to complete it. Gotta have it. Alright, all my long-term subscribers that were around for the past 4 years when I was L to the W know this is a car right here. Project Z28, that's right. Smitty, aka his channel is iRockinZ, link down below, is on his way over with the transmission. So now I have to get this thing up in the air and get it ready so we can get the transmission in and finally get this car back on the road. We can get a dyno tune, figure out the numbers. Now that being said, those of you that have joined the channel now because it's Z28 Travels, because of the travel, camping, all that, don't worry, I've got a lot of camping trips booked. We got some stuff to do with the RV, but you know, I have stuff in my life that needs completing. I need to finish this car. I have subscribers from my old channel that are here and want to see this, plus I want to share it. I want to show what you can do with modern parts onto a 90s car. So let's go ahead and unwrap this and show you this beautiful car if you've never seen it before. Alright, I hope you're ready for this because this is some real automotive porn right here. Yeah. It is currently April 2021. I have not even moved this car since January, since we took the transmission out. Or it might have even been December. So as you can see, it's fairly low. Now I have a problem is I used to drive the car up on some 2x4 so I can get the jack underneath there. I can't drive it, there's no transmission. And I got to get the car moved forward so we can get into the toolbox and stuff. Oh well. She's a beauty, ain't she? We'll be driving her here shortly when Smitty gets here with the custom built 700 R4 transmission for it. Can't wait. Holy shit. Look at that damn spider. Ooh, I hate spiders. Oh my god. Ugh. We gotta get rid of that thing. That's right, man. Don't mess with the car guy because we got all kinds of good stuff. Blow spiders out of the garage with. So, in case you're new here and you haven't seen anything on the build, my goal was, you know, in this day and age, everybody wants to throw LS's and everything, and what I wanted to do is kind of show what kind of power can you get out of the original drivetrain of this car with some simple bolt-ons, or maybe not. Nothing in this car has been simple, but with some bolt-ons, but keep it looking original. While this looks like a factory tune port, it's not. This is actually made here in America. Great guy Ken, First Performance. He makes this beautiful intake. It looks just like a tune port, but it flows significantly better. So we have that. We have bigger injectors. We have aluminum heads. We have Doug's headers. We have a big cam by Comp's Cam in here. And we upgraded the timing chain. So the bottom end, the entire bottom end on this engine is still stock. We just did heads. We added roller rockers, the cam, intake, so it's just all bolt-ons right here. And we have a Borla exhaust from the headers back, so there we go. And we should have it running today. Hello everyone. So while we're waiting for Smitty to come, there's something very important I need to finish on this car, and that's getting the transmission cooler installed. It's quite essential when you're running the a high stall torque converter. So it's not in the instructions, but to make my life easy, I've already gone ahead and put the hose on. See, I have both clamps here, and not knowing how long I'm going to need, it's just still in one big loop. So it's going to be easier to cut, because once you get this thing way up here mounted. It's gonna be really hard to get this stuff mounted, so we're just gonna slide it up here like so. And then we're gonna rotate it. The instructions call for it, they want it behind the fan. My problem is I think I'm going to run out of hose. I'm not going to have enough hose to go over here to reach. So here's the ductwork that comes out behind the fog light. So we're just going to go ahead and shift this thing over and take advantage of the air blowing through the fog light to keep this thing cool. Plus there's a second fan, but this is kind of what they call the overheat fan. This one won't come on until later. Oh well, all you can do is try your best. There it is. Transmission cooler. Hopefully you can see it. I know it's a little dark, but right there. Ran the two coolant lines. There's a little bit of a gap right here. Run the radiator. And hopefully I'm correct. The instruction said the upper line is the return to the transmission. So there we go. Now just waiting on old Smitty show up with the transmission.
So,
uh-oh, somebody's gonna video you.
oh
Yeah.
lordy.
I've already taken pictures.
Yeah, I hope you don't mind being on YouTube.
Oh,
If
lordy.
you ever heard of it. Look, everybody, there's Smitty. I rockin' Z.
Oh lordy.
There's a transmission.
He's got me on camera.
Yeah.
Working.
Why is there a lug nut underneath it?
I don't know. You tell me we'll both know. It was there.
Wow. That's scary.
Yeah, in all my glory. He has to record me while I'm underneath.
Yeah. Yeah, we got to show that the transmission actually got into the car somehow. All right, we're making progress. Transmission's in, finishing up. Now, I got to go wire up the distributor so we can start this thing. All right, let me roll up the window here. Putting it in gear for the first time. It's rolling. All right, it's unfortunate Smitty had to leave. He had to tend to some stuff, or he's got to go to work tomorrow, and yeah, it's getting late. It's already about what, 6 o'clock our time here? Yeah, about 6 o'clock, and he's got a couple-hour drive to head home. I was really hoping to give him a ride in Project Z28. I really wanted him to hear this. But he had to leave before all that. Alright, I need a garage door opener. This car's so loud. Alright. Let's go test drive. See how this thing is. You guys remember I put the torque converter in here and we never got out of second gear, so I have not even really got to see how this is with the torque converter. It's not shifting. Cable's too tight. I don't know. yeah, we got all 4 gears. It's just the high stall torque converter. It just revs really high trying to get anywhere. All right, very good. Good job, Smitty. Woo! All right, I'm gonna enjoy a little bit of the drive, so talk to you back at the house. There she is. Look at how pretty. Oh, so excited. All right, feel bad for Smitty. His back's about as good a shape as mine. He was hurting pretty bad when he got out of here, so yeah, he had to rush out, get home. I mean, his back was hurting, and he's got work tomorrow, and he's got a long drive. But thank you very much, Smitty. I do appreciate you getting underneath the car, wrestling this transmission back up. It does mean a lot to me personally, because you know I know it's like having a bad back, and I would have been as bad, if not worse shape, if I was underneath the car. So thank you very much. All right, everyone. I still got some stuff to finish with this car. We still have to finish tuning the car. We have to get the idle set. We have to tune it past 3,000 RPM. We're still going to go ahead and get the exhaust fixed, finished up, and then we're going to go ahead and dyno tune it. And I don't want to lead anybody down the path to think that we're still going to do project cars and stuff like that. With my back, I learned this car really hurt me, kicked my ass, to say it bluntly, a lot. And I'm just not in a condition to work on cars. You know, I had the motorhome, I had the desire to travel, we had the means to travel, so that's what we're going to do, hence the name change. So I do appreciate those sticking around. You know, even in our travels across the U.S., there's a lot of cool places, a lot of cool car stuff that I'm going to check out. You know, I'm never going to stop being a car guy. We're just not going to be doing projects and stuff like that. So hopefully everybody's kind of interested in what we're going to have coming up. If you're just stopping by for the first time, I just got a shout out from another YouTuber, 30 and a Wake Up. You know, the car content is something that I've been doing for 4 years. I'm wrapping it up, so this isn't going to be kind of like my normal content. But thank you very much for stopping by, and appreciate Kevin for giving me the shout out. Thank you very much, brother. Another veteran. And that's what I love about those guys, man. We're true to our word. He said he would mention me in his channel, and he did. So thank you, brother. I appreciate it very, very much. Can't even express to you, man. It's heartbreaking, man. I spent 4 years building my channel up, and it's deleted. It's gone. YouTube won't help, and it's hard because, like I said, as you get bigger, more doors, more avenues, things open up for you on the YouTube platform that a small channel can't, because they, you know, a couple large channels screwed things up for us, and you kind of have to earn that way up there now. So, but it is what it is, man. We're going to drive on. We're going to grow the channel up. But I just want to let everybody know that you're watching this, that we're going to be taking the RV across the country full time. We're going to be traveling overseas. We're going to be doing a lot of traveling. Something I love to do, and something I need to do before my back gets worse and I can't enjoy stuff as much as I can now. So, all right, Project Z28. More to come. We got some camping trips booked up, so I know it's a little bit of a mix, but I'm trying to get this channel onto one avenue of what we do here. So it's mostly going to be travel, but we do have this project, and I do need to finish it. Give my long-term subscribers some closure, figure out what kind of power we're making from this. So I truly do appreciate all the new people. I appreciate all my long-term people, and thank you very much. So like, shares, comments appreciated. Links down below if you want some cool merchandise. There's also a lot of discount codes that I've gathered for you if you're shopping. So check it out, please, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much for watching.